Hey guys, welcome back. Today we are doing a BoxyCharm BoxyLuxe unboxing. I had canceled my BoxyCharm subscription at the end of the year just to reduce some expenses, but I really missed it. I really love BoxyCharm. It is one of my very favorite subscription services that I've used, and I've tried a bunch. So I didn't cancel it because I was displeased with the service. It was just to you know, cut out some things that weren't necessary because it's not necessary. But I really missed it. So I signed back up. And then I was actually able to sign up for the BoxyLuxe. I kind of signed up to see if I could get the BoxyLuxe right away. BoxyCharm is a monthly subscription service. It's $21 a month. The retail value of the products that come in BoxyCharm are always over $100. And then the BoxyLuxe is a quarterly add-on, which is an additional $28.99. I know what some of the things are in the box, but I don't know what everything is in here. And it's very heavy. How much does this box weigh? Let me weigh it. My little postal scale says it weighs 2.2 pounds, 10 ounces or something, but it feels like it weighs more than that. I don't know. I kind of don't think that thing works very well. So we're going to see what's in the June BoxyLuxe BoxyCharm, and if you guys want to see what's in here, then just keep watching. Okay, the theme is BoxyCharm Getaway. Okay, so the first thing that I'm pulling out is from Living Proof. This is their full dry volume blast. Instant lasting volume and texture, styling and finishing spray. So this isn't a dry shampoo, right? I've never used this. You guys know I'm pretty lazy about my hair, so let's see. What is this? Living Proof Full Dry Volume Blast. Make some room on your vanity for your new Living Proof Full Dry Volume Blast. The styling spray creates instant volume and texture, which is what I need. That's almost as light as air for big lasting results on dry hair. It offers UV protection, is silicone free, and safe for colored and chemically treated hair. The retail value is $29. I've definitely never tried this. I will give it a try because my number one complaint in life is I want more volume in my hair. Okay, the next thing is from PYT. I know what this is. It comes in a bag. This is, oh gosh. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I knew it was a mini hair dryer, but I don't think you can actually tell how mini it is. It's like, this is my iPhone 7. Oh my gosh, it's the length of an iPhone 7. It's so cute. That's stinking adorable. I also don't blow dry my hair, but I kind of want to use this. Anyway. Mini Turbo On The Go Dryer. Your new PYT Mini Turbo On The Go Dryer is powerful, portable, lightweight, and easy to use. It is very lightweight. It's a tiny dryer, so. Not only will it decrease drying time, but reduce frizz and lock in moisture. Whether you're revamping your hairstyle after work or at the gym, your new little travel companion will only be an arm's length away. This retails for $85, and it does come with attachments. There's a diffuser attachment and a whatever this attachment is. This actually might be perfect for me because I don't dry my hair a lot, and the hair dryer that I do have, I mean, it's very large and heavy, so this might be perfect for me if I just want a little zhuzh. And I do like that it comes in a bag, especially with these tiny little attachments. It's from Trestique, and this is a mascara and eyelash curler. This is the Good Vibes Mascara. Treat your lashes to the ultimate curling, lengthening, and volumizing fun with your new Trestique Good Vibes Mascara. This all-in-one lash curler tool plus lash enhancing mascara gives you everything you need to take your lashes to the next level. It's the first of its kind. Just started raining. This retails for $25, so you take this cap off. Hold on here. I actually am not sure that I'm going to take the cap off this because I feel like I just won't use this. I have a very specific lash curler that I love. The Shiseido lash curler is my favorite. I've had it for a few years and I absolutely love it. And this one looks very small. It's a great value. It retails for $25. I think it's a great idea. I just don't know that this size eyelash curler will really work for me. The next thing in here is from Dr. Brandt. This is the Clean Biotic Yogurt Cleanser with Chlorophyll. This retails for $35. Powered by a biotic balancing complex. This prebiotic multitasking cleansing yogurt melts away grime, makeup, and excess oil for skin that is hydrated and never stripped. And as I said, it retails for $35. I don't know that I will be using this. I have a lot of cleansers that I kind of want to go through, and this isn't one that I would purchase or repurchase if I did like it, so I kind of feel like there's no point in me saving it. That's a great value. I know that this is a high-end skincare brand. But this is the Greengrass Hand and Body Butter, and this is Summer in Nice. Oh, okay. It's a body butter, but it's in like a jar, so that's kind of weird. Oh, it smells like vanilla to me. The fragrance notes are coconut, cherry, orange, jasmine, lilac, lily, driftwood, sandalwood, musk, vanilla, and amber. I definitely smell vanilla the most. It does smell really good. I like the look of this. I think this is very pretty apothecary style. But I've mentioned that I don't love potted products, and especially for a body butter, and this jar size is cute, but I feel like it's not very practical for getting your hand in here to get body butter. While I think that this is really pretty and it does smell nice and I like the packaging and how it looks, I probably wouldn't use this. I'm bad enough at using squeezy lotions and tubes. I'm terrible enough at remembering to do that. So I feel like I wouldn't use this. However, I think that this would be a fabulous gift for someone. Oh, it says right here, Made in America, inspired by the world. That's fun. Oh, the brand is Anderson Lilley. It doesn't say that anywhere on here. Anderson Lilley? I don't know. Anderson Lilley M Greengrass Hand and Body Butter. It's a long name. Drench your body in the moisture it deserves with M Greengrass Hand and Body Butter. It's free of parabens, artificial colors, petrolatum, and mineral oil, and never tested on animals, and it retails for $24. Next thing, we have something from Touch in Sol. This is the No Poreblem Prime Essence with Calendula officinalis flower extract. The last step of skincare. Apply moderate amount and gently pat over the skin until it is fully absorbed. So this, where are you? Touch in Sol. Let your makeup stay a while with your new Touch in Sol No Poreblem Prime Essence. Infused with Calendula officinalis flower extract. This primer tightens up your pores, keeping your skin silky and smooth. This retails for $23. All of that sounds wonderful to me because my pores are ginormous. Oh, okay. I've actually seen people apply this, and I knew it was going to be thinner, but it's still thinner than I anticipated. Let's see here. Oh, it smells good. There's a, I'm assuming that's calendula. It has a very relaxing scent. You can smell it. It's not overpowering, but it's not a, I guess I wouldn't call it a mild scent. Ooh, my skin does feel silky smooth. I mean, you can't see, but my skin, why does my hand look so dirty? My skin feels silky smooth. Should have put it on a wrinkly part of my hand to see how that would look. Alright, that's cool. I've never tried anything from Touch in Sol. I have heard great things about their No Poreblem primer. Okay, next we have something from Dominique Cosmetics, and I'm actually very excited about this because I pretty much want all of the eyeshadow palettes that Dominique Cosmetics has released. The new Rustic Glam one looks beautiful, but I've never actually tried anything from the brand. So this is the Lemonade Lip Gloss. Lightweight, non-sticky, balm-like lemonade lip gloss by Dominique Cosmetics. This sheer gloss is long-lasting and flexible, so you can wear it alone or layered over your favorite lipstick. This is in the color Peach Tea, and this is a really pretty peachy color. This retails for $17. Oh, it smells like cake batter. It has a nice paddle applicator. I am wearing a lipstick, so feels nice. I like that it can be worn a little bit more sheer. It smells like cake batter. It smells delicious. Interesting. I mean, I like this color. I think this is really pretty. I think there was a variation color of this. I'm not sure what. But I know there was a variation color. I can't remember what it's called. Strawberry tea, maybe? Strawberry lemonade? I'm not sure. The next thing is from Farmacy. This is the Honeymoon Glow AHA Resurfacing Night Serum with hydrating honey and gentle flower acids. And this is actually the reason that I resubscribed to BoxyCharm, because I saw a spoiler that this is going to be in the box. I think this was also a variation in the regular box. I'm not sure. And I've been wanting to try this for a very long time. I've heard great things about it, and I wanted to try it. And this retails for $58, so that's why I resubscribed. I didn't want to just buy this, because I will use the other things. The Farmacy Honeymoon Glow is a 3-in-1 night serum that resurfaces, hydrates, and clarifies dull skin while you sleep. I need all of that. Formulated with a 14% AHA/BHA/gentle flower acids blend, you'll get a youthful looking, smooth complexion as the look of pores, fine lines, and wrinkles are reduced. I mean, sign me up for that. And then this retails for $58. The bottle is really pretty. I don't know why, but I feel like this is going to smell like honey, even though I think it just says that it's honeymoon. It doesn't say anything about it smelling like honey. Yeah, it doesn't smell like honey at all. It smells faintly of lemon. I kind of don't even want to pump this on my hand because I don't want to waste any of it since it is a pricier product. But I am really excited to try that, and like I said, that is the reason I resubscribed, because I knew I was going to get this and then the other things as well that I was also excited about. But I'm really excited to try this guy. The last thing is from Tarte. This is the Tarteist Pro Glow 3 Cheek Palette. There were two options. There was an eyeshadow option that is a palette that was created for BoxyCharm, I believe, and then another cheek option. It says, meet your new everyday staple. This 6-shade Tarteist Pro Glow Cheek Palette, version 3, formulated with Amazonian clay, delivers streak and fade-free flawless wear. Tap into the blush, highlighter, and bronzer shades for a sculpted dimensional look, and this retails for $45. I really do enjoy the Tarte Amazonian clay blushes. They stay on your cheeks all day, or they stay on my cheeks all day, and that is as someone who doesn't always wear primer and almost never wears foundation, and I still see the blush on my cheek at the end of the day. That's pretty impressive. So this is what it looks like. It has the like wardrobe door opening situation. I think that these colors are beautiful. Does it say the names? Okay, so we have Premiere, Dance Floor, A-Lister, Headliner, Autograph, and Backstage. They look very similar. This is more pink than it's looking on camera, like a little more rosy colored. This has a sheen to it, and then this is a matte bronzer. So I've never tried the Tarte highlighters or bronzers. I'm excited, but I do know I love the blushes. So that was BoxyLuxe for June 2019. Do you guys get BoxyCharm or BoxyLuxe? Oh, I forgot to tell you. The retail value of everything in this box is $341, and I paid $49 for this box. If you do, let me know what you got in your box, and do you love the box? I'm pretty excited. I'm really excited about this gloss, this Farmacy Honeymoon Glow, and this guy, and I'm actually really excited about this no Poreblem thing. I don't need a hairdryer, but I think it's adorable and I'm going to use it. And then I'm going to try the Living Proof stuff as well. The other three things aren't my personal favorite, but I think that they will either go in a giveaway. Either way, they're nice items to give to someone, and that's why I like these subscription services. If you guys got the BoxyLuxe, let me know what was in your box. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and I will talk to you guys in my next video.